Hello, today we're talking about the Russian Revolution in 1917. This is an important part of the story and the history of Russia and the nation of the Russian people because this brings us one consequence. First, the vanish of the Tsars dynasty, that the Tsars or the family Romanov have been ruled by 300 years ago, and bring the new type of government or the communist government by Vladimir Lenin. And this is a common and well-known type of government because it sets a new huge political view on Russia that is one of the most, actually one in today is the one of the most special and potential classes in Russia. So, the causes from this war or this revolution was three. The first was the participation of Russia in the First World War or the war with German, but this is most contribute to the First World War. Second, the in this time of that years, the social classes in Russia were divided by two. This is from the noble or the high people and the rural people. There is no like medium people in between that two categories of 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 social distance. And this is something very bad because the rich people are swimming in luxury and money, and the poor people didn't have to eat. So the third consequence of the three cause is the wife of the Tsar, that is Alejandra, that she was a very hated woman because she was German, she no was Russian, and the strong winter plus the disease of Rasputin from the people. So, in the revolution, there were two phases. The revolution in February, that this stopped and almost in Petrograd, now St. Petersburg. This is more like a stop from the workers because they didn't want to go to work of the bad condition that the government gives to him. The revolution in October. This brings us Soviets. Well, the Soviets, it was more like a group from the people, from the workers and the campus people, and they called themselves the Soviets. These people or this group strikes in the Winter Palace and began the Red Terror. That it's now like that because in this time of that period, there are a lot of murder and killing sprees running often. So later in 1922, this creates the famous of the unit of Republic Socialist and Sovietist, all well known like the URSS in 1922. This make a huge step in the new type of government by Stalin, and this continuing almost to 1998, I think. This was a huge potential and a huge type of people. Um, Almost what's like a huge step from the Russian people. This particular type of government or this associate or this union brings a lot of prosperity from the Russian people. It brings them a lot of hope, but also brings a lot of different shocks and different problems more further ahead.